Reolink Argus PT is a completely wire-free, battery-powered security camera that supports pan and tilt. This video will highlight what's in the box, quick setup, and installation of Argus PT. When you open the box, you will find the camera itself, the mounting bracket, quick start guide, and other parts to help you set up quickly. Thanks to the 2.4 GHz Wi-Fi and high-capacity rechargeable battery of 6500 mAh, Argus PT features 105-degree wide-angle lens, 1080p Full HD, and up to 33 feet of color night vision. Built-in PIR motion sensor to detect movements, mic and speaker for hearing and talking via your phone remotely. Tilting the camera up, you see the micro SD card slot and the reset hole near it. Setting up Argus PT camera via Reolink is just as easy as that of other Reolink cameras. Before setup, screw the antenna and turn the camera switch on. Run Reolink app. Click Add New Device button, scan the QR code on the camera, let your camera scan the QR code generated on your phone. Connection to the router succeeded. Welcome to Reolink. Tilting up and down and panning around, the camera covers a super wide range area around your home, front, or backyards. Argus PT is designed to be mounted upside down and installed 2 to 3 meters above the ground for best detection performance. Screw the mounting bracket to the wall. Screw the camera to the bracket. Adjust the camera to a proper direction and tighten the screw. That's it! You've installed the Argus PT successfully. If you are looking for a completely wireless outdoor camera for all-round monitoring, Argus PT would be on the top of your list.